everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments. Now today we're going to be using that pulled pork that we made earlier in the week using our crock pot, and we're going to make crock pot tacos. Or crocos. Crocos? Crocos. Now for those of you who tuned in earlier this week, you might have seen that we had pulled pork using our crock pot, right there, and it definitely turned out delicious. But there's another application for it. We're going to make crock pot tacos. Now this recipe is going to be kind of three-stage. So if you already have the pulled pork made, congratulations, stage 1 is in the bag. Stage 2 and 3, literally all we're going to do is make a Pico de Gallo using Poblano and tomatoes and a few other key ingredients. And also a Monterey Ranch, which some of you guys might not have heard of because I made it up. Okay, so for those of you who didn't tune into the barbecue pulled pork episode using the crock pot, that's this guy right here. That's the thumbnail. I'm also going to leave a link in the description box below, so go check out that video and then come back, because at that point you'll have, 1 out of 3 things done for this recipe. Alright, so if you enjoyed today's show, feel free to hit that like button and also share this video, because it really does help this channel grow by helping it reach a broader audience. And if you're a real fan of the show, feel free to hit subscribe, because why not? It's literally right there. Alright, so who's ready to make some barbecue pulled pork tacos using your crock pot? Bet you guys did not expect that this week. Huh? Let's do this. Crocos. Alright, there it is, barbecue pulled pork tacos from your crock pot. How crazy is that? But really good. Really, really good. Alright, well that's all I have time for this week, so stop by next week where we're going to be making Gruyere potatoes au gratin. And this thing is going to be cheesy as a motherfucker. Alright, well that's all I have time for this week. Definitely try out the Crocos, they are amazing. But also stop by next week where we're going to be making Gruyere potatoes au gratin. And they are going to be the cheesiest damn things you've ever seen. Promise. I'll see you then. Oh yeah, and on a side note, thank you Joanne for the new hat. It is stunningly red. Look at it. It's practically glowing. Thank you.